Hey folks, I've been trying to find a way to mount this HP into a desk locking system, and there is none out there for this. So what I did is I improvised here. I got a padlock. I had to buy a set of 2 here at Harbor Freight. I got this braided steel cable, and it's rubber coated so it won't damage this this hole here and mess with this plug too much once I thread it through. So it's for an IMAC 24-inch. And this is what I'm doing here. This cable here, which I got at Harbor Freight, it's a 7-footer. It's gonna go down here. I'm gonna mount it to this cabinet here. You can either mount it to the outer part of a desk or something and make the bolts flush on the outside and then sticking it on the other side. What I did is got a single outlet bolt here. And I'm just gonna mount it in like that with some big fat washers. I got this at Lowe's. And pretty much I've spent, maybe under $25, I think it is. So this is not a bad way to go. I'm gonna try it out and I'll show you what the results are. See here, I just looped the cable through itself. And like I said, this cable that I got from Harbor Freight has a plastic sheen on it, so it won't be scraping and banging and damaging the body here. And this gives access for this cable to go through. And the reason why I had to do this and not get a base mount, which is the base mount here, is because once you do that, you got to drill a hole through the desk here, and it can't go left or right. And this lady likes to move her monitor back and forth across the desk. So this is the only way we could do it on this. All right, now I got it mounted up to the desk. This cabinet here with the drawers on it is mounted to the desk. So this works out great. And it's not visible from the outside. You may have to mount it to the outside of the desk, but just put an eye bolt through here. Make sure it's a good locking nut in there with a good fat washer to keep it secure. I mean, if somebody really wants it really bad, they're gonna get it no matter what. They'll just rip the world apart. But right here, you got this big old thick cable. You got a padlock on it. You got a good secure eye bolt there. Man, I don't know what more you can do except put a guard dog on it, you know? So that's it. It just works out really good here. All the way through the top here, all the way through to the back and around the base. So lickety split, it is done. So check it out, worked for me. So I just went over my receipts again and I looked at it, and it's around $30 to get this job done. And I tell you what, no one else has this kit because it ain't out there. You got to make it yourself, and I'll leave a link of the description of the things that I used in the description below, so you can just follow it step by step and put it together and make your own. Yeah, DIY at its best. All right, good luck. God bless.